In this video, you will learn the fastest way to retire. And this is also for every age, because they usually say, well, the earlier you start, the better. And you basically need to start from when you're 20 or something. At the same time, you can build wealth in a couple of years. Especially nowadays, there are so many opportunities. Means also if you are in your 60s or 70s, it's never too late to start thinking about your retirement. And doing nothing is also not the option, yes? So it doesn't matter how old are you, it's time to start thinking about it and to take action. Before we continue, how about you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because this way you will not miss new videos of mine on business and self-development that I provide every weekend. No, every Wednesday. Every Wednesday. Oftentimes when people think about their retirement, they think about saving their money only and investing them in some cases. But the fact is that it's not enough. The next thing you need to do is to continue increasing your income. Because if you're going to save a lot of money, but you don't earn a lot of money, it means that you need to spend quite a lot of years of not enjoying life, but saving only. And this is not a good option. But some people, they really push this concept that for 10 years you're just saving and then you retire at 30. But come on, you want to enjoy life while you're still very young, like from the age of 20 to 30. You don't want to waste those 10 years of not really experiencing your life. How about traveling? How about starting a family? How about, enjoying life, learning things, investing in your own self-education, self-improvement. So it's not an option just to save. No, and also you want to stay open to new opportunities. You want to be generous, yeah? It's also a good way to do some volunteer work, to contribute to society in different ways, to give to the charity, there are so many ways to give, and that's why if you go this way of just 10 years saving 70% of your income and then you retire, it's a very one-sided, point of view, and you don't have to do it. What you have to do, to start saving and investing, of course, some portion of your income, maybe 10%, the classical 10%, so to say. But at the same time, you need to increase your income. And how do you do that? Well, the best way here is to find some kind of passive income stream. Meaning you start some kind of business that at some time will be able to run on its own, where you only need to invest like maybe 5 or 10 hours per week to keep it running. 5 or 10 hours per week is something that you can do at any age, meaning also when you actually retire, you can continue doing this, what you're doing, because you don't have to stop. You can enjoy life, you can do everything you want, and also you keep being active. It's also good for people who are older not to quit everything. And if you lack motivation to work, if you think you're too old or something, watch this video. Also, if you're young and lack motivation, this video will help. And maybe you're busy with other things. Life is not only about working. There are a lot of great things you can do. That's fine. Main thing, you don't lie on the couch or on the beach the whole time. So what I'm saying is try to be as balanced as possible when you follow your retirement plan. Don't go into extremes. One extreme is to live on your parents' couch till you are 30. Yeah? Another extreme is to buy a very big house when you're 20. Why do you need that? How about some, middle way? You can buy some smaller apartment or move to some cheaper district or city. There are different middle ways of going through life without spending too much, but also not going into these extremes when you don't really enjoy life. It makes no sense to waste your best years this way. And if you are interested in finding ways of creating some passive income streams, then check out my course on 8 ways to monetize your Instagram account. The link is in the description below. Maybe it would be something for you. And there is also a link to my free checklist on how to start an online business, because you need to think about a few points here, and this checklist will help you to go through them so you will not forget anything. If you like this video so far, please give this video a like. It really helps me spread this message all over YouTube so that more people can benefit from it. And also, leave me a comment if you have some other ideas on how to plan your retirement, maybe some tricks and tips that you know and I don't know, and I would love to know them. And make sure you do have some passive income stream, because even if you save enough money, even if you invest a lot of money, still, if it's a few millions you've been saved, it might not be enough because circumstances change. And in 20, 30 or 40 years, what you have saved and invested might not be enough for your retirement anymore. So you always need some kind of an extra thing going on. And it's also good for you, for your development, for your contribution to society, for staying active, for staying young, fresh. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell not to miss new videos, and watch some other videos of mine on business and self-development till we see each other next Wednesday.